Hey, welcome back to another Netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. Sincerely appreciate you joining me today for episode number 87, where I'm linking three related matrices, but I'm getting a pound size error. How do you fix it? This is actually a question sent in to me by David. I sincerely appreciate you sending it in to me, David, and I hope that you find it useful. Here is a basic model. We have person monthly, which shows a person, his activities, and then kind of some sales by month, okay? Also, there's person weekly, and person monthly we want to roll up to person weekly, because in person weekly, again, we have the same kind of data. We have the person, we have the activities, we have the sales, and then we kind of have a week ending date here, okay? Problem is I can't quite roll them up together exactly because, month doesn't equal date. So what I'm doing is I'm going out here and I'm using this reporting month matrix that goes ahead and associates every one of these dates, weekend dates, okay, to some report month end date, okay? So what I have is what Dave's done is he's gone out here with a basic using as, and he said, hey, go out and sum the person here using the reporting month as the month here. You seem like, well, that ought to work, right? It's just a basic using as. Well, realize this, that date here is linked to date here, but there's no way of linking date back to here. And what you're trying to sum on is you're trying to sum on the person. What needs to happen is you need to sum on the thing that is linked kind of to this middle linking table. What I mean by that is if you go here and you say person equals the sum of date here, and then I go using report month as month here, I go ahead and I hit bam, and I'm like, well, I should get a value. Well, we're not quite there yet, but you can see I don't get the pound size error anymore. And that's because I'm summing on the field that is kind of the link field to my middle table here. Okay, now the reason why I'm getting not pounds, but the reason why I'm now getting zeros here is I have to think about this a little bit longer, and I say, well, my month, it's kind of spelled and formatted this way, and over here in report month as the item, it's actually formatted with some dashes. So what happens if I go over here and I call report month format, okay, and I call that formula, and I go ahead and I say what I want to do is I want to text, I want to take the value of this guy, and I want to make him have the format of this right here of day, month, year. Okay, when I do that, I go ahead and now I get a format that kind of matches, right? So what I do then here is I change from report month from this column. I now want to not filter, but I now want to use this item in my using as clause or statement. So I put format, and you can see, bam, once I do that, I get the format correct. Once I'm summing on the correct category, that is the link category, I go ahead and I get the correct answer. So for August, for Arnie, for snowshoe, right, these 4 weeks are what is tying to August, I should get 192,648, and bam, that's exactly what I get. So Dave, I hope that is helpful to you. That's how you solve your problem with your pound size error. If you have any questions about Quantrix or pound size errors or anything in general related to Quantrix, I hope that you'll reach out to me at quantrixauthority@gmail.com. I absolutely love Quantrix. I want to make you a Quantrix master, so please join me again for another episode of Quantrix Authority with Rich Lopez.